Iglesia Ni Cristo members gathered in Europe for the EVM Cup Spain edition, and this indeed shows the Brethren's faith and determination to be united with the church administration in the activities that they launch for the church. Now, this event is also geared at strengthening the bond of brotherhood inside the church. Here's Kathy Ferrer.
Animo España. This is the firm conviction of the members of the Church of Christ here in Southern Europe as they held the EVM Cup 2016 here in Madrid, Spain.
Members of the Church of Christ in different parts of Spain traveled to get here in Madrid, which was the host of the event. They provide the venue and refreshment for the brethren.
Bago po aktibidad na ito ay nagsagawa rin po ng EVM Cup Italy Edition sa Italy. Ang totoo, bago pa man po sagawa yun, nang mabalitaan po ng mga taga-Spain na magsasagawa po ng ganitong aktibidad sa distrito, ay nag-propose rin po sila na magkaroon naman ng EVM Cup Spain Edition. Ang isa pong magandang resulta nito para sa mga kapatid ay una, nagkaroon po sila ng bonding. Matagal-tagal po hindi nagkita yung mga magkakapatid sa Spain na nakakatala po sa iba't ibang mga lokal at GWS. Naging ang pagkakataong ito para muli po magkita-kita sila, magkaroon ng bonding.
The EVM Cup includes the following games: football, table tennis, chess, volleyball, and basketball.
Napakaganda talaga. Kahit po kami natalo, successful naman at masaya ang mga nangyari dito sa event natin ng EVM Cup.
Noong dumating po ang araw na ito ay napakarami pong tumugon ng mga kapatid. Kahit na malalayo yung kanilang pinanggalingan, hindi nila alintana yung pagod. Ang ibinunga po nito ay lalong nagkalapit-lapit ang mga damdamin ng mga kapatid, nagkakakilala, yun pong mga hindi pa nagkakakilala. Lalo pa nga't marami pong mga bagong dating din at sa ganitong mga pagkakataon ay nakilala ang bawat isa.
The EVM Cup caters not only the physical and mental skills of the members and players, but most of all, promotes the unity, teamwork, and brotherhood in the church. Reporting from Madrid, Spain, I am Catherine Ferrer for Eagle News.